are back at the pond, and second cast I caught another bluegill on the same combo as the other video. So nice guy, nice size bluegill, pretty average for this pond. So I'm just getting back. Basically the same size as the last one. Fish. I say myself. So let's get them back in the water. This one, a little bigger than the last one. Let's get them back in the water. I'm using a little hook that
rope looking jig.
Yeah, and I'm using a telescoping mini rod.
How short does it get? Sweet.
Got another nice size bluegill. Another nice sized bluegill from this pond, because these are not that big, so get them off the hook. Look at that color. Another nice sized bluegill. He actually tried to bite it, and he didn't stay on, so I just cast it back out there and get it. So let's get him back in the water. Oh yep. Nice fish, nice bluegill out of this pond. Put him back. There we go. Same size as all of them. Okay, last fish of the night, last fish for today, and last fish of the video, and see y'all next time for when we go either bass fishing or bluegill fishing or muskie fishing. So see ya next time. Let's release this beautiful fish.